As you may have gathered, this had a cane seat in it originally, but somebody did it too tight and that wood has split right along the grain. And somebody's idea of fixing it was to put nails in along there to hold it in place. Well, of course, all that's done is made it worse. And you can see from the spacing of these holes, there's a really, really fine gauge of weave. So this is why that rail there has got to be replaced, because it just wouldn't take the tension of the cane if I tried to repair it. So I'm not sure yet about this rail here. I don't think that's going to be repairable. I don't know. Just have to play it by ear as I go along, I think. But here we go, first day of lockdown. So we're at the Last Resort Tavern now. I don't recommend anybody doing this unless you've done it before and you're very, very careful. This joint won't come undone. So I've got these holes here. I know that it's like this one, so it's slotted into there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use steam to soften the animal glue, because this has been glued with animal glue. So let's have a go. Just got to get enough heat in there, but not wet it too much, because that will cause the wood to expand. So that's changed tone doing that. I think that might just about do it, so I'll shift that out of the way. Do you feel, oh yeah, I feel lucky. Oh, look at that. And what remained of the dowel. Brilliant. Well, at least the weather's with us today. Oh, glorious. So having finally managed to get this rail out, at least I can have a closer look at it. So you can see just here, that split there. That's why I've got to replace the whole thing. So I think what I'm going to probably do is I'll cut that across where it wants to split anyway, right the way across there, and then remake this piece here. This is the other side rail, and I'm still not sure whether I can repair it or whether I'm going to have to replace it. Problem is, you see, all these nails, all these here, that's actually pushing that apart. So I think I'll try taking those nails out and see if I can put a permanent repair on it, and if I can't, I'll have to remake it. But some idiot's been here with the glue, just all around here, and I can't even get this cane out cleanly. Hey ho.